Hey there, favorite scientists. It is Wednesday, March the 24th, and we've got science to do today. What do you think we're working on? We will classify living and non-living things. How? First, we will watch a video. Then we will illustrate and label one living and one non-living thing. Why? We will understand the difference between living and non-living. Everybody say this first yellow word with me. Living. Nice job. Other yellow word, non-living. Beautiful. Now, you see my girl down here watering her plants. I've got a plant here in my classroom. I give it water once a week. So do you think that this plant is a living or a non-living thing? Did you say living? Bravo! You are right. It is a living thing. We're going to see a video and study more about living and non-living so that you can draw and label one of each in your journal. Here comes our video. You know it's going to be a good song. Get ready to listen, wiggle, and learn with me. Here we go.
Living things have lots of needs, like plants that start out as little seeds. They grow and change at their own pace. They need air, they need water, they need light, they need space. If something multiplies, then it's alive. Animals and babies sometimes even five. Changing from child to adult, fully grown. And plants making flowers and seeds that are sown. Living things have lots of needs, like plants that start out as
Little seeds.
They grow and change at their own pace. They need air, they need water, they need light, they need space.
They need air, they need water, light, and space. Do you need those things to live? Are you a living thing?
How do you know if something's alive? Does it have basic needs? Does it have babies that thrive? Does it need air or shelter? Food or water? Can it have offspring like a son or a daughter? Living things have lots of needs, like plants that start out as little seeds.
Are butterflies living? Yes or no? Are plants living? Yes or no? They're growing and they're changing. Are you living? Yes or no? Are you growing and changing?
They grow and change at their own pace. They need air, they need water, they need light, they need space.
Do you need air to breathe? Do you need water to drink? What about light? Do you need light to live? And space. Space to move? Do you need space? Are you a living thing? Yes. Is my plant a living thing? Yes. Are butterflies living things? Yes. So many of those things are alive. We are going to learn some vocabulary words and then get started in our journal. One more time, say this L word with me. Living. Awesome. Living like these two beautiful lions. If you are living, you need energy. You are growing. You can have offspring like this little baby. And eventually, living things do die. Look one more time. Is the lion living? Yes or no? Needs. Living things have needs. Say that N word with me. Needs. Check out some of the needs you see here. What do we need from the cow? Food, milk. Great job. Look at these crackers. We need food to live. What have you eaten today? You have to eat something. You need it to live. Take a look at this girl. What's she drinking? Water. Have you had any water today? You need water to live. And down here, this girl, she's giving water to her plants also need water to live. Needs are what a living thing must have to stay alive. You cannot live without your water and without your food. Plants cannot live without their water. And the plants can make their own food when they get light. Next vocabulary word. Say this O word with me. Offspring. Beautiful. Offspring is when a new living thing is made by other living things. Like this plant has a seed that made an offspring. So when the flower grows, it drops new seeds that make new plants. That's its offspring. Its new little baby. Like this lion, the mama lion has her baby. She made that baby. That's her offspring. Living things can make babies. My plant can make more seeds. The lion can make more lion. Can my telephone make more telephones? No, because my phone is something non-living. Say that N word with me, please. Non-living. Nice. Non-living is something that is not alive. What do you see here that's not alive? Rocks. They don't need water. They can't make babies. They don't need food. They are not alive or not living. My water bottle's not alive. My phone is not alive. My scarf, my dress, these are not alive. They don't need water, don't need food, can't make babies. Our last word to learn today is classify. Say that with me, please. Classify. Nice. To classify is to group similar things together. Like this rock, this phone, and this water bottle are all living or not living? Not living. I'll make a group for them, not living. But if I have a human, a person, and a flower, these two things need a different group because these two, person and flower, are living or not living? Living. Today you're going to be making me groups to classify. This is living. This is not living. Have you ever made groups of things before? What have you made groups of? I like to make groups of my blocks, my Legos, groups of pencils, groups of crayons. Today, we'll do that with living and non-living. It's time to get your journal, meet me on video too, so we can start drawing, coloring, and labeling. I'll see you there.